renovating our outdoor living space, we knew that we wanted some sort of outdoor kitchen, but we weren't sure what kind of outdoor grill or griddle or smoker that we wanted, and we kind of thought through all of the options that are available out there. And honestly, I'm not a huge cooker, especially you know, when there's a lot of people over. I want to make it super simple and easy for me, so that I can kind of get back to enjoying what's going on here at the house. But we happened across this griddle when we were at Sam's Club one day, and we purchased it kind of just to see how it was, and we love it. So I wanted to kind of explore why we love it. There's like one big con if you're a big grill person that I want to talk about, but otherwise just kind of like show you all the cool stuff about this griddle that we purchased. This is a I have to look at the brand because it's Members Mark. I always want to call it Maker's Mark, which is not. That's alcohol. Members Mark, which is a Sam's Club brand. It's a griddle. It's got a really large cooking surface. And so for a family like ours, we have tons of cousins and aunts and uncles that come over all the time. We have like 25 to 30 people all the time. So you can cook several pounds of bacon here at one time, burgers for everybody. It really does kind of like make the whole process go faster. So it's a really nice large cooking surface. It has 5 burners, so you can just cook on one side if you want to and not turn on the other burners if you don't need everything. I like that it's stainless steel. Another one of the more popular brands is the Blackstone, and of course that one has more of like a, it's still a cast iron griddle, but it's got black legs and a black lid, which I just prefer the stainless steel from a look standpoint. The huge thing for me between a grill or a smoker and this griddle is the cleanup. This is basically like a hibachi. If you go to a restaurant that does hibachi, you can see how fast they can clean it up, and that's true here too. Most grills, they drain to the back. If you've got, you know, it goes through the grates and it drains to the back. I love that this one drains to the front. You can see here the drain is right here in the front, super easy to access, and then drop in the trash can, however you want to do it. But what is so important about that in the long term for me is I'm probably going to end up putting this grill, the top, into a cabinet. And when I do that, it's going to be a permanent structure. I can't be reaching to the back to get to the grease and empty it. So that's really important to me. And then of course, as I mentioned a second ago, you don't have the grates to scrape and all that. Things aren't like burning on top of the grates, and things aren't falling down. And so it's a really clean process. If you guys have dogs or pets at home, if they're anything like my dog, when we had a grill, the dog would go around the back and get to the grease trap and eat stuff out of the grease trap and like eat all the stuff off the floor. And it was just like a gross mess. And so none of that exists here. Now, I will tell you the big con about this. That is that if you're really into having that like grill taste, that charcoal flavor of a real grill, this does not provide that. You're really cooking on what would be an equivalent of an indoor natural gas or a propane cooktop. Now, eventually we are going to convert this from propane to natural gas. And so eventually, like I said, it's going to be like this more permanent structure and portion of an outdoor kitchen. And it'll allow us to be outside with our friends and family, enjoying the same stuff they are, but still being able to accomplish the cooking and the entertaining that we want to. So if you guys have been considering a griddle, I would really highly recommend the Members Mark from Sam's Club. It's about $400, and you really can't go wrong with it. We've been happy this whole time with it.